Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought you another Java lesson, and today I'll be teaching you about the break statement and the continue statement in Java. First of all, let's get started. First of all, let's have a class build. We go to src and select new and select Java class. We'll call this Java 8. And inside Java 8 class, we'll have our main method psvm and press tab. Now we have made a Java class with our main method. Let's continue our lesson. First of all, I'll teach you about the break statement in Java. Well, I have taught you the break statement before. In switches, the break statement was used to jump out of switches. Now, I'll teach you today that the break statement can be used to jump out of loops. There are many places where we can use the break statement in Java. Let's have an example for this. Now I will show you an example using the break statement. First of all, we will have a for loop where there's a int I equals to 0, and we'll check if I is lesser than 10, and after that let's increment I by 1. And inside we'll have an if clause where I will be checked if I is equals to 4, and inside we'll have our break statement, and after the if we'll have our I printed out. What do you think will be the result for this example? Let's check it out. Let's check it out and check our answer for this scenario. We have got our answer. 0, 1, 2 and 3 got printed. Why did this happen? Let's check it out. In this code, it is said to run till I is lesser than 10 by incrementing all the way. 1, we have given I equals to 4 and have a break inside it. So what this does is, when I is equals to 4, the code loop will stop there and won't print I again after I being equals to 4. That's what happens when you use a break statement inside a loop in Java. I hope you got a clear understanding about the break statement in Java. To verify all this, let's make it I equals 5 or 6. Now let's check the answer for this output. We got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 printed. Like in the previous instance, after I becoming 6, the code block broke there and it break there. So after I becoming 6, the code block didn't work after that. The loop stopped after that. That's what happened when we use a break statement inside of a loop. I hope you got a clear understanding about the break statement in Java right off now. Now let's learn about the continue statement in Java. We'll have the same example used for our purpose. After I being equals to 6 and checking if I is equals to 6, we'll have our continue keyword. We say continue. What do you think will be the output when we print this code? Let's check it out. Let's print this and check the output. We run our Java 8 and let's check the output. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 printed without a 6. That's the difference between the break keyword and the continue keyword. I'll explain this to you. When the I became equals to 6, the continue keyword didn't allow 6 to get printed but printed the other values which are there after 6. That's what happened when we use the continue keyword in Java. So if you want to skip some statement, you must use the continue keyword so that you can skip the results and have the other values printed after that. To verify if I am right about this again, I'll have I equals to 8. And this time, what do you think will be the output? Let's check it out. This time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9 printed without a 8. This time also, so in this code, after I equals to 8, the continue keyword skipped that value and printed the other values after it. That's what happened when we use the continue keyword in Java. I hope you got a clear understanding about the continue keyword in Java. Let's go into some other examples. As of now, I have taught you the continue keyword when used inside a loop. Now, we'll have it inside another type of loop. We'll have the break and continue keyword inside a while loop and have the output and check what will happen in them. So I'll remove this code and I'll paste another code example. This time I have pasted a while loop. In here there's I which is equals to 0 and the while loop checks if I is lesser than 10 and prints I and iterates I after that, and if the I is equals to 4, the code block will break out. That's what will happen when we use the break keyword inside a while loop. Now for this, let's run this out and check the output. Alright, we got 0, 1, 2, 3 printed, like in the case of the for loop. The same thing happened here. So after I becoming equals to 4, the code block stopped there and didn't run after that and print 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That's what happened when we use the break keyword inside our while loop. So I hope you got a clear understanding about the break statement when used inside the while loop in Java. Now let's learn about the continue keyword when put inside a while loop. We'll have a simple example for this. I'll now copy paste my example and teach you about it. In here there's a I which has been assigned to 0 and a while loop checks if I is lesser than 10, and inside it if I is equals to 4, the I will increment and after that it will continue. and print out I and iterate I again. What do you think will be the output for this code? Let's check it out. Let's check our answer. Alright, we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 printed without a 4. This happened like in the case of the for loop. The fourth number, number 4, when it became assigned to I, was skipped. It wasn't printed. And the other numbers after it was printed after that. That's what happened when we use a continue keyword inside our while loop. Like in the for loop, the while loop worked exactly like it. I hope you got a clear understanding about the continue keyword inside a while loop. So, these words break and continue can be used inside loops, switches and other loops. I hope you learned a valuable lesson from today's code examples and my lesson. I hope to see you in another video with another tutorial about Java. Until then, goodbye guys, and please take care.